Hey Farzana, how are you?
Hi, Olivia. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I know that we're both part of the NGen Youth Advisory Team. And I know you're new to Canada as well, so I just wanted to get your thoughts about advanced manufacturing and all that.
At first, that I was not interested in in engineering or in math or in science something, but I was good at science. I'm good at math, but like I think that because of that, I didn't search many about like manufacturing, about engineering, about technology or other stuffs. So that's why I didn't know that what is manufacturing or what is advanced manufacturing. So I just do some letters the letter search, and that's just I know that manufacturing is like a part of a technology that are rebuilding and like building some technologies and materials um, with the using of the technology, with using of the AI, and with using of the um, robotics and other stuffs. So yeah.
Is there anything you are kind of curious about or like want to learn more about in advanced manufacturing?
I actually have lots of things to learn about advanced manufacturing. So before that, I didn't know about advanced manufacturing. So I thought that it was maybe something that I'm not created for that. Or but when I just search it, I like find it so interesting, and I find it so interesting, and thought that I can be more. Doing things about that and learn about that. For example, um, for example the robotics. So because I didn't never search about robotics and all this stuff. So but now like I want to know about the robotics and about the about the AI and all the things that we are like using every day, but we don't know that how they create and when they created this type of technologies.
It just goes to show that you never know where advanced manufacturing can take you and what kind of industries you can find yourself in with this background.